So this is the book, the first book that I got today in the book fair. And I was going to the book fair and basically looked around, and the first thing I found was Daud Burke. And Daud Burke is one of the Egyptian places, so sometimes they are, I wouldn't necessarily say that they're always going to have the best of books, but sometimes they'll have a book that is the best copy of that book particularly. And this is Asnى المطالب شرح روضة الطالب. And this is the book that is very, very important for a person in the Shafi'i Madhab, as this is a work of Zakaria Al-Ansari, Shaykh al-Islam, and rahimahullah, he made this book, basically, which is, there's Rawdat al-Talibin, which is here, Rawdat al-Talibin lil-Imam al-Nawawi, and there is a mukhtasar on Rawdat al-Talibin that he basically made the sharh for that mukhtasar. And this is a book that they often say, like the people of the Shafi'i Madhab, they say a person isn't truly Shafi until he has read this book. And of course, I'm not truly Shafi yet because I haven't read this book. But, so inshallah, I found this book out there. And there was a copy out there that was in DKI. And what I can tell, for if you guys are ever looking for a book and you don't find the book and you're not at the place where you're going to read the book in the near future, and the only people that have it is DKI, then wait, just wait a little while, because if you were to, I was looking at that book for 2 years now, and I still haven't read it, and if I had it in my library, if I bought it from DKI, I probably wouldn't have bought this, and this is much better, or I would have had to switch it, but I got this, and here, I'm going to open it up, and I'll let you see a little bit about in that, and so this is very shiny, it's almost too shiny, which is it's a trademark of, I don't know if it's very shiny there, but it's a little bit shiny. So, and so then the papers here, are nice yellow papers, and of course this is Egyptian, so it's not necessarily gonna have the same like quality as something else. So like some of the papers occasionally will stick together, and you'll have some of that binding. But this also has the hasia of Rumley. So this is also a hasia that is very very important to have on it. So this is definitely a lot easier to read, and it probably has a lot better like tahqiq than you would find from DKI. And sometimes DKI will be the only person with that book, so just wait on it. And if you're not at the place where you need to read the book right now, then wait, so you don't have to waste your money on DKI, because a lot of times like they'll have the book, but they don't really take a lot of pride and care in that. But this was done by Maktaba, I think it's Maktaba Taqwa, and so they made this book, or they got it printed out. And I've never seen Asnى al-Talib recently, except that it was from DKI, and so this is the newest one that just came out. I got this from the book fair. I'm very happy about it. Once I saw that it was out there, I ran to it, and it was only 2,000, like 2,000, like for 9 majalid. This is a very, very good deal. So this was my first purchase of going to the Ma'rad al-Kitab, my second day.